Lilac Lily looks around and proudly tells the other lilies, "I'm the prettiest." That is how she feels. Look at Lilac Lily, how pretty it is, says Lily. "I want to touch her velvety petals," says Lulu. Lilac Lily hears the girl say. She looks at the other lilies and tells them, "Do you hear that? They like me, not anybody else." Without them knowing, the flower fairy hears and sees everything. Now come the ladies. "Wow, look at my favorite lily, the white lily," Lloyda asked. "The yellow lily?" asked Lizzie. "No," Lenny answers. "The pink lily?" asked Lily. "No, the lilac lily. She is the prettiest. She is the best." Lenny replies. Lilac lily looks at pink lily and says, "No one will pick you because I'm the loveliest." As she speaks those words, flower fairy flicks her wand and Lilac Lily grows tall as some of her petals fall. Lilac Lily goes on with her proud ways every time she speaks. One day, a storm strikes the village. It hits the pond and Lily's body. Everyone in the village looks for Lilac Lily. Where is Lilac Lily? "Where are you, Lilac Lily?" shout the other lilies. "I'm here," says the tiny voice. They all look around and say, "Oh no, you are not Lilac Lily." "Yes, I am. I'm sorry. I was so proud. I always thought I was the best," cries Lilac Lily. "Now I know that you are also beautiful."